completely demo session. Okay, in the last session, we have given overview regarding our training process. And so today we are going to start SAP S/4HANA Finance. Okay, demo session completely. So my name is Chanu. I have overall 14+ years of experience in SAP Finance, Accounts and Costing. So I hold MBA and CMA final and CS intermediate professional qualifications. And my previous project with the DX IBM. So I worked as a senior associate, means senior advisory in IBM, and also I worked as a project manager in DXC. So I love to train the professional students who are keen in learning SAP S/4HANA Finance MM modules. And so far we have given almost 10,000 students, and also we conducted so many educational programs through our YouTube channels. So currently we are running YouTube channel in Telugu mode and English mode. So we will share you the details in the chat box after the end of the session. Okay, and we got almost 47K means 47,000 subscribers to my Telugu channel and 1,000 subscribers in English channel. This is completely basic session. Okay, so today we will discuss about SAP basic areas like what is SAP, what is ERP, okay, and so why SAP, and what is SAP S/4HANA, and what are the versions are there in SAP S/4HANA. So these are all discussions happen in today, and we will continue the orientation sessions. We have 10 orientation sessions, means basic sessions for non-IT people who want to switch to SAP. Okay, so these sessions are helpful to everyone who want to switch to SAP, even irrespective of qualifications if you have. Okay, this basic sessions will continue for 10 classes, and these sessions are very helpful, and we also discuss project related stuff in these 10 classes. Okay, and people who want to learn SAP in Telugu medium, so we have another batch. Okay, so this month means August 15th or 17th we have another batch. You can also switch from English batch to Telugu batch also anytime. Okay, so you can continue right now in English batch. So if you are not comfortable in English mode, then you can directly switch to SAP Telugu batch also. We are allowing this facility to everyone. Okay, and this is completely basic session, guys, and utilize these sessions. Okay, so you know what is SAP SE? SAP SE stands for Societies Europea. This is one company. It's a one IT company, software IT company. Okay, so this was founded in 1972 in Germany. Okay, and headquarters are located in Germany, and the number of employees in SAP SE is almost 1,07,000. Okay, as per the 2021 standards. So SAP has almost 1,07,000 employees, and also getting revenue. Okay, so getting revenue through cloud. Okay, so almost the total revenue as per 2020, so this $1 billion. Okay, and this SAP was expanded in almost 200 countries. So here it's mentioned 140 countries, but so it was expanded to 200 countries almost. So so that means this SAP has been using by 200 countries, and this software has been extended to almost 200 countries. Okay, almost 230 million cloud users, okay, are using SAP software solutions. Okay, and this is one of the largest portfolio provider to the customers. SAP has 230 million cloud users. Okay, so this was launched in 1972. This software was launched in 1972. So earlier, this software has called as a system analysis program development, and later that so abbreviation has been changed. Okay, and so the CEO is a Christian Klein. Okay, so he's Christian Klein. He's the company head. Okay, so CEO of the company. So SAP SE means Societies Europea, and this Christian Klein has 41 years age. He is the youngest CEO of the SAP. Okay. So SAP SE stands for SAP SE. SE stands for Societies Europea according to the European laws. Okay, in European laws, it is called as a SAP SE. It's a company. Okay, we don't call as a SAP, it's a SAP SE only. And many times SAP has ranked #1 in the ERP market. Okay, so many times. So SAP is ranked as a #1 ERP in the market. So everyone keep your audio mute, please. So please keep your audio mute. So there are so many competitors for SAP. Some of the competitor details I'm giving over here. And the competitors are Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle. These are the biggest competitors to SAP. Okay. So now I will give you brief idea what is SAP. Okay. So everyone see my screen, right? Any issues? Any issues?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
It's visible. Fine. See guys, now let's understand what is SAP. S stands for systems, A means applications, P means products in data processing. SAP stands for systems, applications, products in data processing. System is computers, laptops, or any device, or PC or any device. So, and application means programmed software. Product means goods and services. What generally SAP do? SAP capture entire information regarding the goods and services. Okay, so on daily basis, there are several kind of transactions will happen in every company regarding sales, purchase, payments, salary payments, and reimbursement of extra traveling. These are all so many things will happen, right? What generally SAP do? SAP capture. That means we need to enter the details of the transactions on a everyday basis. Okay, and SAP will capture entire information regarding goods and services and saves into the database. Okay, SAP saves all the information regarding goods and services into the database. Okay, in database, all the information will be there. So to maintain this data, like goods and sales, purchase, everything, we need one database. So that database is called as a HANA database. SAP has a database. The database is called as a HANA. HANA means so high performance analytic appliance. So HANA stands for high performance analytic appliance. HANA is a database in SAP S4 HANA. HANA is a database. Got my point? HANA is a database. In this database, So we will store all the goods and services in one place. Okay. So we will maintain the database. Why? Because we need to store the information regarding the goods and services. And we will process the same by using this software. Okay. So like, SAP stands for system. Systems means computer, laptops, any device. Application is nothing but programmed software. Products means goods and services. What generally SAP do? SAP capture entire information regarding the goods and services and saves into the database. The database is nothing but HANA database. So in SAP S/4HANA, so data will be stored in the HANA database. Okay, in SAP S/4HANA, data will be stored in HANA database. HANA is a database in SAP. HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. Okay, so let me open SAP system. I will show you. Okay, so what I will show you something regarding SAP HANA, S/4HANA details in my system. Okay, so just open the SAP system. Let me close this all. See, this is S/4HANA system. Just double click on this and provide the user details. This will be provided by your server guy in real time. So this user and password details will be provided by security team. So just to provide these details, user and password details. Okay, just to click on this. Click on this. Okay. So this is SAP Easy Access screen. So I just to go to system. Go to system. Go to status. Okay, just to log in with your details, user ID and password. Then you will find this screen. And you want to see whether it is EC system or S/4HANA system and what kind of components are integrated with this S/4HANA. Those details we will see over here. Okay, just system status. System status. Okay, so here you will see the database is connected to this S/4HANA is HANA database. Okay, HANA database and SAP S/4HANA host. And here this license will be expired. So you can also see expire license details when it is going to expire. Those details also we can see over here. And also you see the product versions. Okay, click on this. These are the product versions. These are the all components are associated with S/4HANA system. And go to install product versions. And here you will see we are using SAP S/4HANA on-premise. Okay, Fury apps and S/4HANA ABAP platform. Okay, so these are all things are associated with this SAP S/4HANA system. Okay, so now you people understand that this is S/4HANA system and version 2022. Okay, so just click on this product version and go to install products. Here the version is a 2022 version. We are working in 2022 version. Okay, so you guys need to take the server access on immediate basis, and we will share you the server details in the chat box by today itself. And you just connect to the server guy. So he will share you all the details how to install. Okay, each and everything. So first thing is you need to get a server access. To getting the server access, so we will share you the server person details in the chat box. Okay, let just check. Let me check whether our admin has shared these details or not. Okay, so this is the server details. Just I am putting this information in the chat box. You just open up this screen and you can connect today to get the server. Okay, why? Because we are going to deal everything in SAP S/4HANA 2022 system. Okay, so and you can directly ring to this Babu server and the phone number also given over here, and just connect to this person and get the server access on immediate basis. Okay, So these are all things you can do after end of the session. Okay, and the server charge for this access. Okay, so 1800 rupees for 3 months. 1800 rupees for 3 months. Okay, so if it is ECC, the cost is only 1000. ECC means world server. Okay, the cost is 1000. But so if you want to explore the things in S4 HANA 2022 version, the cost is high. And so my recommendation is you will get the server access on immediate basis because going forward, we will teach everything in SAP S4 HANA system. Okay, everyone getting me right? Any issues?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So far we discussed about what is SAP. We still not completed. So we still on the process. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, Products in Data Processing. Okay, SAP has one database. The database is called as HANA. HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. It is one database. And SAP is also called as Business Database Software. So SAP is also called as Business Database Software. Okay, because we are capturing entire information, okay, relating to the business, like goods and services, and saves into the database. Okay, so that is the reason it's a business database software. And SAP is also called as SAP is a ERP software. SAP is a ERP software. What is meant by ERP and all? I will discuss these things in the couple of minutes. So first understand some important logics. SAP is a ERP software. SAP is an ERP software. Okay. SAP is an ERP software. And ERP means it's an integrated software. Okay. SAP is also called as a business database software. Okay. SAP in SAP, HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. SAP is a software. It stores all information regarding the goods and services and saves into the database. Okay, and so application is programmed software. Because of this software, so we are capturing the data and processing the entire information. This is the products in data processing means because of software only we can process the data. Okay, so you just understand these points. And SAP was invented by 5 IBM employees. SAP invented by 5 IBM employees in 1970s. Okay, SAP was invented by 5 IBM employees in 1970s. Okay, and after that, SAP has earlier name was System Analysis Program Development. So if you just look at this 1970s, before 1970s, and this was called as a System Analysis Program Development. Later, so the abbreviation has been changed, and now it is called as a Systems, Applications, Products in Data Processing. Okay, and one point you need to observe. So regarding the scope of SAP, so just look at the market. Okay, Fortune 500 companies you know very well. So the top most biggest companies are listed. Okay, so in the Fortune 500 companies. Okay, so 90% of Fortune 500 companies are using SAP. So these are the biggest companies in the market like IBM, TCS, Accenture, Capgemini. So these are the biggest companies, IT giant companies. Well, almost 90% of Fortune 500 companies are using SAP. That means, okay, so almost a very big company using SAP. Okay, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Right. So just take a note of it. All these things of the end of the session. Okay, I will share you the notes and just let me highlight the points. Okay, these are the notes. So now the question is, why SAP? Anyone? Anyone? Tell me why SAP? Why not other ERPs in the market? What could be the reason we should use SAP? We should mean companies.
Quick update.
Easy to access.
Okay.
There is no chance to fraud anything.
Anyone?
Sir, it is an integrated software, so we can use easily for each module.
Exactly. Okay, so why SAP means some of the important facilities that I am telling over here. Okay, so SAP is a integrated modular. Okay, SAP is an integrated module. That means it is connected with it. That means it is it is connected with many other modules. Other module means FI, MM, SD, PP, QM. Okay, in single place. That is called SAP is a ERP software. ERP means enterprise resource planning. Okay, enterprise means organization. Enterprise means organization. Resource means time, money, machine, etc. These are the resources. Planning means how efficiently we are using these resources. Means time, money, machine, etc. Most efficient and effective manner. That is called as a planning. SAP is a ERP software. Okay, SAP is a ERP software. Means it is integrated model. Okay, the modular. That means it is connected with all modules. So why it is connected with all modules? Because in single place we can view all the reports like HR information, finance information, costing information, any information we can view in this ERP. Okay, so it is integrated planner. SAP is an integrated planner. It is linked with other modules so that we can generate the flexible reports. We can generate the flexible reports to the management. Management needs the report, right? So SAP will generate the flexible reports to the management. So management will get this report easily. So that is the reason most of the companies are preferred to use this software. Got my point? Okay. So there are so many ERPs are available in the market. There are so many ERPs available in the market. There are so many ERPs are available in the market. So tell me some important ERPs which you know. So tell me some important modules ERPs. Oracle,
Oracle, Tally, Prime,
BAN, Oracle, JD Edwards, Microsoft Dynamics, Okay, QuickBooks, Sage, Groups. Okay, there are so many ERPs are available in the market. PeopleSoft.
SQL.
So many ERPs are available in the market. But okay, why SAP? Why SAP? Because of integration. Reason for choosing SAP software. Reason for choosing SAP software. So SAP is famous. Why? Because of integration, because of reliability, because of trustworthy, more friendly, user friendly. Okay, and security, performance. Performance is good, security is good. Because of all these reasons, SAP become #1 in the ERP world. So main thing is integration, flexibility is more. Because of integration, we will generate reports and we will provide the same to the management with ease. Integration, reliability, trustworthy, more friendly, user friendly, and security is good, performance is better. These reasons makes SAP became #1 in the market. Okay, and recent days SAP has came up with S4 HANA product and HANA database. So these are all reasons makes SAP #1 in the market. Everyone getting me right? Any issues? Okay. Now we discussed about what is meant by ERP and what ERP to ERP is an integrated planner. Okay. SAP is a ERP software. ERP is integrated planner. So ERP is connected with many modules. Okay. So in single place, we can view entire information regarding sales, purchase, finance, controlling, and all the information, sales information, material management information, all the information we can see in single window. Okay. Now the question is, what is the difference between? So in the going forward, we'll discuss some important definitions like what is ECC and S4 HANA, so many things. Okay, so if I explain these things now, you won't get any issues. You won't get any problems in the coming classes. Okay, and we have few large audience. We have few audience in Hindi mode. So people who are not getting anything, you can ask me in Hindi also. We will discuss. So regarding Telugu, we have separate batch. So if you are not understanding or anything, you want to switch to Telugu batch. Okay, so we are also allowing this facility to everyone. So, but either you can continue Telugu or English. Please decide. But Telugu batch is will be started after 10 or 15 days. Okay, 15 days max. Okay, so meanwhile, so you can listen these things. It would helpful. So my recommendation is continue with English batch. You will learn something. So what is the difference between ECC to S4 HANA? So what is the difference between ECC and S4 HANA? So have you ever heard about ECC? ECC means ERP central component. Okay, S4 HANA. So S4 HANA is the latest version of SAP. Yeah, ECC is the old version. fourth version of business suite. Okay, SAP S/4HANA means it's a business suite, fourth version of business suite. ECC also business suite, but this is the latest version of SAP. Okay, the current version is 2021, recently launched by SAP. So, but we are dealing currently, okay, so 2022 version. So most of the trainers, most of the time still they are explaining the things in ECC version. But okay, so in jobs, particularly job interviews, so interviewers, recruiters will ask you more questions from SAP S/4HANA. So that is the reason. So our intention, agenda, explain the things in the SAP S/4HANA 2022 version only. Okay. So version is no matter whether you will work in 2022, 19. So that is no matter. Understand the concepts, understand the meaning, purpose, reason. These are all things plays vital role and crucial to learn SAP S/4HANA system. So ECC means it's a old version. Okay, right now we don't have any implementation projects in ECC version, but it still continued up to 2022-27. Okay, so ECC will be winding up in 2027. After that, no more ECC. Okay, so that is the reason SAP is recommended to all the companies to switch from ECC to S/4HANA. So that's the reason we are getting more opportunities in the coming days. Why? Because still most of the companies are using ECC old version, and so the last deadline has been given by SAP is 2027. After that, no more ECC, and so these companies need to migrate to SAP ECC system to S/4HANA. So that is the reason we will have more opportunities in the coming days. Got my point? And no more implementation projects are going on ECC system. Okay, so only S/4HANA we have for implementation. This is only one choice, and still ECC is going on for support projects, rollout projects, and other things. But so we recommend S/4HANA system only for your practice, and don't use ECC system for your practice at this moment or in my sessions. Okay, so that is the reason we told you get the server access immediate basis. They will give you 2022 version for your practice. So now everyone got my point. Any questions on this area? Any questions? If you have, then feel free to ask me regarding versions. Okay, so we have latest version in ECC, ERP, okay, EHP. Okay, so EHP 8 version is going on in the market. Okay, so right now in for S/4HANA point of view, we have the latest version 2024, and currently we are dealing everything in 2022 version only. This is recently launched, and for your projects, you need to tell to the interviewer, I was worked on this 2022 version. Okay. And regarding the salary and scope, so most of the people have much doubts on this area. So how much salary I will get once I join into this course? Salary. So if you are fresher and you recently passed out any stream like it's IT, non-IT, nothing else, everyone can join into this S/4HANA finance module if you have interest. But if you have the basic knowledge on finance, that should be better. If you don't have any knowledge on accounts and finance, okay, no issues. We will discuss those things in our training sessions. But understand that whatever the things I'm explaining, that is understandable mode or not. Okay. Regarding the salary, okay, so if you are fresher, so you will get 2.5 lakhs. So minimum package. Okay, in MNCs particularly. So we also shared yesterday, I think. So we have 10 vacancies. Okay, 10 vacancies in S4 HANA and MM. Those details also shared in the chat box. I think, yes. Okay, so one of our client connected me and asked our SAP FICO MM fresher jobs. Okay, so salary they are giving 15K to 18K. So if you are fresher, okay, the minimum package I told you, so 2.5 lakhs. Okay, so after getting 6 months of experience in SAP. Okay, so regarding this, this is only for our trainees who have finished up a course in our company. So we are forwarding your profile to this client. So please share your details if you are already taken training from us. So if you are fresher, the salary would be 2.5 lakhs. This is minimum package that you will get. And if you have the professional qualifications, okay, so like you are from qualified from CA, chartered accountant institutions, or cost and management institutions, ICMA or ICA, or you learned MBA from Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, whatever the colleges are there. Okay, MBA from reputed institutions. So your salary range will be vary. This should be 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs almost. Okay. And if you are experienced guy, if you are experienced person or professional, okay, so your experience almost 4+ or 5+ or below 6+, okay, then your salary range 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs in India. Okay, so particularly in USA, so per hour they charge. Okay, in USA I don't know whether fresher has an opportunity. Maybe freshers don't get any opportunity in USA. Only experienced people will be taken per hour. So per hour $100 will be given for these experiences, like 4 to 6 years experience if you have, no doubt at all. Okay. So this is the salary. Based upon your salary, it will be vary. So max you will get 50 to 60 lakhs. Okay, 50 to 60 lakhs if you have 20+ years of experience and above. And finally, your experience will be ended up with this salary 60 lakhs max. Okay. So if you are project manager, then your salary range will be 25 lakhs to 40 lakhs around. Okay. So there are ample opportunities are there as a fresher level. You know, recession is going on. Earlier, the market is not like this. Okay, so almost every week we will see 4 persons successful in SAP FICO particularly. Right now, the market is not up to that. Earlier, there is no recession. Market is good, ample opportunities, and so many calls in the market. But right now, comparing to past, it's okay. Not only in SAP, other modules and other areas also same. Okay, so but if you want to switch to SAP, you need to be more hard work, and you need to learn things in different way. And analytical thinking is must for SAP. At least you need to work 4 to 5 hours on, so 3 to 4 hours on daily basis. Then you will achieve this success within 4 months. Okay, so this is the basic session for you guys to understand what is SAP, what is ERP, and what is ECC and what is S4HANA. Okay, what is HANA? So just giving draft analysis, but this is not final session. This is just like understanding between you and me. Why? Because people who don't know me and they don't know about me. Okay, so that is the reason. Just I'm taking one session to meet the standards, SAP standards. Whether you can catch up these things or not, no worries. If you're not getting anything in this class, or you don't understand anything, no worries. We have Telugu sessions. You can join in the next 10 days. We will start 10 to 15 days. We will start new batch. You can also continue in Telugu batch if you are not getting. And so we have huge success rate. And many times I told you, so to get SAP, you just need to do more practice and hard work and discipline. Every day you need to attend the sessions. Don't miss. If you not attend the session, at least you just download those sessions and watch, and just need to make practice. So this is not theoretical learning. Okay, at the initial classes, I will teach everything in theoretical mode. Why? Because most of the people come from different zone. That's the reason I try to explain things very slower, and everything should be understandable mode. And if you're not catching any words or anything, so please watch the recorded video that is available in the chat box. One session is ended up. Okay, and one more point I missed out in the previous session. So our training institution has been recognized as a topmost promising SAP institutions as per the higher education review. Okay, so here it's clearly mentioned. Okay, so in this magazine, so top 10 promising SAP institutions in India. So declined the second top most promising SAP institutions. So I also shared and also look at this higher education review magazine details. Okay, and these are the top 10 SAP institutions in 2023. Promising SAP institutions. Okay, that means genuine. So, and the second thing, people who know Telugu. So I also given interview with Suman TV. Okay, can directly access this link and get the details in the Suman TV. So they are also taken interview with me. So you can also look at this, but this this interview in Telugu mode. So people who know the Telugu, so you can also look at this link. And so my suggestion is get the server access immediately. Okay, so you just ring to this number, and Babu server. So he is good person. He will share you all the information to you regarding how to download access and all. So you can get the server immediate basis. If it is ECC, the server cost is 1,000 rupees. But for S4 HANA case, the server is 1,800 per 3 months. Okay, so and our training sessions duration almost 3 to 4 months max. Okay, and so everything should be explained in practical mode, not theoretical. So once I explain theoretical, then I will move to the practical sessions. Okay. And one more point you need to observe. So in the market, so many YouTubers nowadays coming with low prices. They decrease the SAP standards and values, and they don't have any proper real-time experiences, and they didn't work any industry in SAP particularly. They don't have any IT standards or IT experiences. They learned from me and started directly SAP training institutions in the YouTube. They are providing low cost, low fees, but they don't have any real-time exposure, and they are not, and they are also not got any job particularly, and they just explain the basic things, which basic things, and also they just copy the other YouTube channel videos and telling the same to the students. That will not work out. So these things you need to be cautious before joining any training institution. It's not only me, others. So please get the trainer information, how many experiences he has, and what kind of projects he dealt, and these are all background verification you need to make, and it checked in the description box. So every trainer details also given. So then you can pick it out. If trainer doesn't have any experiences in SAP side, so there is no need to join, and so even it's a low price. So this is my sincere request. Thank you all for making this session more interactive and more professional. So if you are not getting any points, so I will give you 5 minutes time. So you can ask me, and then we will clear your issues.
Sir,
Sir, I
Yes, please.
if someone interviewer asks in which server, in which ECC you have did the implementation project, means we have to say yes for HANA.
See, regarding those things, details like which project you worked or which project you worked as for HANA, those details will be discussed after the end of the sections. Okay, just now I didn't start anything, but I don't tell the resume things and all. But I uploaded so many videos in YouTube to crack the interview in S4HANA. So you can look out that. So ECC version, you can tell the old version ECC ERP, EHP 8 version for latest, and the old version EHP 7, particularly S4HANA. So you can tell the ECC S4HANA 2021 version. Okay. Right. So yes, madam, you are saying something.
Yes, sir. I also have the same queries. Means that if I specify in my CV that I work in EC version, so how can I implement that I work also the S for HANA? So both are the different server, na? But you
Yes,
told
ma'am.
that
I think see, this is about security related points you are asking, but I told you many times SAP S4 HANA you didn't learn, right? So how you are going to add these things?
okay, sir. So
Okay, you
after
learn
learning,
only ECC,
can
right?
understand,
So
na?
you know about ECC, then add the ECC skill set. If you don't know or you didn't learn anything S4 HANA, then why you are adding those things in your resume?
No, sir. Actually, I am asking that after learning your course,
Yeah,
I
after
can add.
learning my course, we can add 2022 version. Okay.
That's the thing I asking, sir.
Yes, 2022 version. Okay. Great.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. See, for regarding freshers, we also giving the certification course completion certificate. But if you want to get a SAP certificate, professional certificate, directly get from the SAP partners, authorized partners. Okay. So we are giving only course completion certificate, not SAP global certificate. Okay. Right.
Yeah, how many days will we have access to that recorded videos, sir?
Recorded videos unlimited. You can access anytime. Number of days. Unlimited.
Okay, it will be like a YouTube link, sir?
No. So after end of the session, you will notified with the YouTube link video. You can download that. Okay, but I'm sharing my rough notes in the chat box. Okay.
Yes.
So you guys need to do one thing. You just right click, copy, and open up Word file. Okay, and saves in the Word. Okay, day one. Just put name day one. So you can also highlight the things. So like that, you can highlight the things and saves. Okay, any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you all for attending the session. And so tomorrow we have one more session. And so people who want to make registration, so details also shared in the chat box. So Babji sir, please once again share the details in the chat and get connect with our admins and know the details. Okay, for registration. Thank you all.
Sir, hello?
Yes.
Sir, I have one more doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
The server amount and course fees amount we will pay all
Excluded.
together or separate?
See, if you want to pay in single attempt, the course fees 17K only. So nobody is providing S4 HANA 2027 version in 17K. Cheap. Okay, so this is the advanced and version. So maybe it will charge 25,000, 30,000, but I'm giving 17K only. Server fee and all these things will be need to pay to other third-party vendor. Okay, so not me. So you can also get the server if you know any other server person. Okay, thank you. Thank you.